Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Smitty. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're existing, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash that like button and share and comment with your friends and let everybody know what's going on here. We'll just cut right to the chase. Helping out a buddy with a 4L60E, and sounds like that unfortunately might have gotten a little bit of a runaround. The first video we showed you, the 3/4 clutch just completely smoked, but I got a little more information today as possibilities of why it might have smoked, and we're going to go through those today and see what we can find out. But I know that I'm going to end up tearing this thing completely down after what he's told me and make sure that nothing else is screwed up. So let's get to it, get rolling. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all. Hopefully I can get away with this fan because yesterday when I was out here, I about absolutely cooked. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to check my piston operation before we go too much further. I want to make sure everything is operational, at least the best that it can. All right, find my washer here. So we're going to throw this clutch back together. It's never a good idea to operate your clutches or your pistons without your clutches installed, because you can actually overextend it. This little washer here with the little tangs, that goes inside your housing. Not very much wave to that plate, but it's a wave plate. What I'm doing is just alternating friction and steel. Can't put that in until you put the sprag in. And your thick snapper ring goes on that forward clutch. Go. All right, the 3/4 is pretty screwed up, so we're not gonna jack with that. Let's go ahead and put our reverse input back together. Snap ring back in. And we're going to put this snapper or this washer back on. Let me get you set up here. Put this washer back on here. Rotate this back down like that, because you're going to test through these holes right here, because that's what applies your clutches. So first would be this reverse input housing, like that, and then you got your washer and then your bearing. Just like that. All right, we'll go turn the air on. All right. Okay, there's your 3/4. And it's normal to have a little bit of bleed off on that. That's your reverse input. Again, it's not uncommon to have a little bleed off. That should be your overrun. We're going to take this apart because I physically can't see the, when you got these two together, you can't tell which one's which. And I really want to see the pistons move. I know I just said you don't want to do it without the clutches in it, but sometimes you have to. We'll be able to see the pistons move. Okay, that's the overrun. So we know that one's okay. There's your direct, or your forward clutch. Just like that's supposed to be. And there's your 3/4. So they're doing what they're supposed to through the pump, and the only reason why it doesn't seal real tight is because of the air. Alright guys, everything on a 4L60E is just almost identical to the 700 that I showed you in one of the other videos. You got this snap ring down here in the center. Usually they're painted bright yellow. This one's not exactly bright yellow, so it's kind of hard to see. Sometimes you just kind of have to feel for it. And since I have the tail housing still on it, it won't fall all the way out. I don't like them pliers to do this one with. There it goes. Alright. You pull your planetary set out. Let's look at that. Wow. Okay, there is some yellow on it. Just couldn't see it anymore. I have never seen this wear like that. Okay, this housing is going to need to be replaced. If you look right here, I don't know how well you can see that, but see how this has got a major groove in it. And that's not right. That won't fly. These are stuff you got to look at, guys and gals, when you're doing one of these. It's supposed to have an aftermarket sun shell in it. And this does have the Sonnax super shell in it. It does, it does, it does. It's got, see how it's got the reinforcement around the deal? So it's got the Sonnax super shell, which is good. But I've still never seen, this is what this rides on. See, it shouldn't be that loose. And you can feel that. Okay, we're down to the low reverse. So notice the anti-rattle clip is right down there in the corner. Let me get you some light. You just can't see a damn thing. I'll shed some light on the subject. All right, right down here in this hole, there's your anti-rattle clip there. Now most of the time you can't get that out until you get the pressure plate out, or the backing plate they call it. It's also got your low roller clutch in it, or low sprag in it. There you go. That out. Now if you remember what I told you, you got to blow in the low reverse piston, low reverse oil hole to be able to get that dude out. Should be this one right here, like that. Get my homemade getters here. And I just pulled that out, but that's real easy. You just rotate it, it'll go back in there. That's definitely a heavy duty dude. Get your low planetary set. You get your low reverse clutches, which these look fine, real fine, real fine. Get your little rattle clip out of there. And then your park pole assembly. There'll be a bearing on the bottom of that too. Alright, so now we need to get the output shaft out. So we're going to rotate this dude upside down, and we're going to buzz these 15s out. Go ahead. Oop. I'm going to flip it out here. Take your transmission mount out. Set that off to the side. So he was having trouble with it leaking, even though everything was new, so the bushing's got a little bit of wear on it. You can see that there. We're going to go ahead and put a bushing in it while we got it out. And then you can pull your output shaft out. Alright y'all, well, you've seen what the rest of the teardown is and a couple other parts that need to be replaced. It's also going to need this housing. Like I said, it's got a pretty good lip right there. I don't feel comfortable using that. And we'll get a bushing kit, and I think that should be good. But we'll get this dude back on the road. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this. I know it's repetitive, but some more things to look for. This is a real world deal where, you know, with Scarlett's 700 R4, you know, I don't know how long it'd been out of service and why, or why they even took it out. And I think it probably still worked, but this is actually one that was on the road and it's got some issues with it. So we're going to get it fixed up, get it cleaned up, get the case cleaned up, and we'll reassemble this thing, and I'll show you how to do that since it's coming. So anyway, y'all have a very blessed day. I hope you all enjoyed what you seen. If you did, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell, so you get all the latest updates. As always, take care of each other, take care of yourself. God bless y'all, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.